Welcome to AllFreePik tutorials. Hello friends, today I am going to show you Adobe Illustrator tutorial 3D text effect. Type tool shortcut T to type text. You can type text using with the type tool. You can use any font typeface. Apply bold typeface. Ellipse tool shortcut L to draw a circle shape. Fill none. Outline color black. Use line segment tool to draw a line shape over the circle. Select both shapes. Shape Builder tool. Shortcut M to divide shapes. Select text and right click and create outline. Ctrl Shift O. Select shape and go to object menu and envelope distort and make with the top object. Alt Ctrl C. Select shapes and go to object menu and expand. Select shapes and go to object menu and path and offset path. Offset -2 pixel. Fill color R255 G0 B0. Copy Ctrl C and paste in place. Shift Ctrl V and make it small shape. Select shape and right click and arrange and send to back. Shift Ctrl open square bracket. Ungroup Ctrl Shift G. Lock Ctrl 2. Group Ctrl G. Cut Ctrl X. Group Ctrl G. Select shape and go to object menu and blend options. Spacing specified steps 25. Again go to object menu and blend and make Alt Ctrl B. Fill color R247 G147 B30. Face in front Ctrl F. Unlock all Alt Ctrl 2. Finally your 3D text effect is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create text effect design in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.